What's up, guys? Welcome back to Iceland's TV show. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on post notifications. Today, I'm doing Nerf battle with Max and my cousins. Hello. And
Max is right there.
He has his own YouTube channel, Pokenox. We're doing a Nerf battle right now. And look,
I have a YouTube channel. It's called Demogorgon Games.
okay, so yeah, me, Max, her, and Nox are on a team, and the other two big kids are on a team, and we're doing Nerf Fest.
And whoever. Oh shoot!
They're right there.
Extra. Who needs an extra bullet? No! Run!
Ow. Okay, we have to run. They're right there. We're running. Sorry if this is blurry, guys. Ow! Okay, he got me. Okay, so, I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna film it.
No, you didn't get me.
Hey, Art.
Rylan, you need an extra bullet? Rylan, here.
Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the bench and sit right there. So that was it for this video. Bye, guys. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2, because that's part 2 of round 2. Okay, bye, guys. Ozzy out. Wait, Ozzy out.
Rylan!